Some dishes don't just feed you, they settle you. Today, we're making stewed salmon with plantain pancake, the kind of meal that warms the room before it even reaches the plate. Rinse the salmon gently with a mixture of vinegar and fresh lime to remove impurities, and leave it fresh, clean, and ready for seasoning. Season the salmon generously with your favorite seasoning to enhance its rich, savory flavor. Peel and slice the ripe plantains into medium-sized pieces and carefully place them into the food processor. Add freshly chopped shallots for a mild, savory flavor. Then sprinkle in some salt to enhance the natural sweetness of the plantains. Add the egg yolks to create a rich, smooth texture. Followed by a spoonful of cornstarch to help bind the mixture together perfectly. Secure the lid tightly and blend everything until the mixture becomes creamy, smooth, and well combined, with all the ingredients fully incorporated into a thick, flavorful batter ready for the next step. I'm going to add more cornstarch to bind the mixture together perfectly. Every good stew starts with a foundation. Let us cut our onions for the stew. I have my pan on fire, now pouring my oil. In goes my well-seasoned salmon. It's time to get my buddies out of this oil. Oh, they are looking golden. Into the pan the onions goes, waking up in the same oil I used to fry the salmon, releasing that gentle sweetness that tells you something comforting is on the way. While the onions are getting pampered in this oil, kindly take a few seconds and like this video. Thank you. Tomato paste joins the party, just long enough to bloom, never long enough to burn. Then comes the fresh thyme. Let us add some seasoning. pinch of salt. And now, the star, salmon, cut into generous chunks, firm, vibrant, full of natural oils. Salmon doesn't need hours, it just needs respect. When the vegetables are tender and the broth has found its voice, the salmon enters the pot. The stew quiets, the fish settles, and in just minutes it turns opaque and delicate. Heat a generous layer of oil in a skillet over medium heat until hot but not smoking. Scoop portions of the blended plantain mixture into the pan, gently spreading into each corner of this square-shaped space. Allow the pancake to fry undisturbed as the edges begin to set and the surface turns slightly firm. Continue cooking until both sides are perfectly brown with a soft, fluffy center and a lightly crisp exterior. Remove the plantain pancakes from the oil and place them on a platel, leaving them warm, flavorful, and ready to serve. Stewed salmon isn't fancy, it isn't loud. It's the kind of dish that feels like it's been made for generations. Simple, nourishing, and deeply human. Try this delicious stewed salmon with crispy plantain pancakes for your next meal. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more flavorful recipes and cooking inspiration.